Huh.
Night, Steve.
Night night. Tell your wife I said good night to her.
I will.
Vantage to ground control, do you copy? Over.
Ground control to Vantage, I copy. Any reason why you called? Over.
No, just wanted to check.
What is it? Over.
Something above me.
What? Repeat.
Something flying above me. It's not an aircraft.
What does that mean?
Oh my god. It's not an aircraft. There's no wings or...
Alright, calm down, Alright, describe what you see.
Okay. Are there any known aircraft in my area?
Let me check that. Not to my knowledge, no.
A large unknown aircraft is flying about 1,000 feet above me at fast speed with 4 bright lights. He seems to be playing some sort of game. He's flying over me. It's not an aircraft.
What? Continue.
It seems like it's stationary. What I'm doing right now is orbiting. What the thing is on top of me. Also, it's got a green light, sort of metallic. It's shining on the outside. It's just vanished.
It's okay, it's gone now. Now we can all just sit down.
Melbourne, a strange aircraft is hovering over me again. It's hovering and it's not an aircraft.